natin salubungin ng palakpakan ang pagpapasalamat sa San Miguel. San Miguel Beer. To the San Miguel Beer family, thank you very much for choosing again Manila. This is the beginning of so many activities in our city. Thanks to Ramona, choosing again Manila. Although, as you know, maybe some of you, Mr. Ramonang is also from Manila. Batang Tondo, si Ramonang. Tonight, maririnig niyo ulit yung mga kantang nag-iwan sa iyo sa shota niyo. At yung iba naman, sinagot kayo dahil sa kantang yun. Will reminisce songs closest to our hearts na magpe-perform courtesy ng San Miguel Beer. But for now, ayoko na mag-agawin ng eksena to dahil San Miguel at ang ating magbibigay kasiyahan sa Malate area. To the business in the community here in Koreatown, here in Malate. Rest assured, through your DTCAM Director, Crystal Bagaching, we will keep moving forward na buhayin muli ang Malate sa lungsod ng Maynila. Now, let me call sila Lexpi. Alaga, kung siya